Good morning class. Myself Sunil Kumar, your maths teacher. In the previous classes, I will explain chapter 5 of class 10th AP, arithmetic progression. In the arithmetic progression, we know some formulas, how to find the difference, that means common difference D. That means T2 minus T1. This is to find the common difference, and the another formula Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into D, where a is a first term, and n equal to number of terms, D equal to common difference, and Tn equal to last term and the value of nth term. So we have some problems. Today I am explaining some problems on the basis of AP exercise 5A. Your first problem is find the 35th term of AP, that is 4, 4 and a half, 5, 5 and a half, 6 and so on. So solution of your first problem, at first AP equal to 4 times 1 by 2, 5 times 1 by 2 and 6 and so on. That means it should be written as 9 by 2, 5 or 11 by 2, 6 and so on. So your first term equal to A equal to 4. Then D, your common difference. We know that to find the common difference, here is a formula T2 minus T1. So we put here T2 minus T1. That is that T1, that is T2, that is T3, and that is T4 and so on. So your result is 9 by 2 minus 4, that means 9 minus 8 by 2, that means 1 by 2. That's your common difference. So, and number of terms equal to 35. So that Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into D, but T35. Already we know that to find any nth term, we subtract 1 and get the shortest result as a plus 34D. That means a plus 35 minus 1 into D, that is the 34D. That means here a is 4 plus 34 into 1 by 2, that means 17. That's your result is 21. Your first problem is solved out. You got your answer from the starting initial part. Our first term 35 term is 21. Here nth term of AP is written as 5n minus 2. So if n equal to 1, then first term equal to 5 into 1 minus 2, that means 5 minus 2, you got 3. N equal to 2, second term equal to 5 into 2 minus 2, that means 10 minus 2, you got 8. So that A equal to 3 and D equal to T2 minus T1, that means 5. 8 minus 3, 8 minus 3, you got 5. So that your first question in this, find its first term and its common difference. We got this is the first term and this is their common difference. So next question, find the 27th term. That means T27. T27 equal to A plus 26D. That means A plus 26 into 5. You got, value of A equal to 3. So 3 plus 6 5s are 30. 3 5 2s are 10 or 3. That means 133. You got your result of your second question. If nth term of AP is given like that, 5n minus 2, 4n plus 1, you got your result in this way. Okay? And you solve like this. In the third question, your third question, if the seventh term of AP is minus 4 and its 13th term is minus 16. So we see here in your third question, term of AP, that means T7. Value of T7 equal to minus 4. And so that it should be written as A plus 6D equal to minus 4. Your equation first. In the second term, if its 13th term is minus 16, that means T13 equal to minus 16. So your result is A plus 12D equal to minus 16. Your equation second. Now we subtract equation second from equation first. We get the result. That means A plus 6D equal to minus 4 and A plus 12D equal to minus 16. So minus plus. In the subtraction, we change the sign of the last term. In the downwards, the equation is written here A plus 12D minus 16. Change the sign of A in the negative term because it is positive and it's also a positive, so it is negative. It is negative, so it is positive. Plus A or minus A cancel, and that means minus 6D, and your result is plus 12. So D equal to 12 by minus 6, that means minus 2. Your common difference is here minus 2. So to find the AP, we also find the first term. Okay? So first term, that means A. Put the value of D in any equation, in equation first or in equation second. So putting the value of D equal to minus 2 in equation first. So A plus 6 into minus 2 equal to minus 4. That means A minus 12 equal to minus 4. That means A equal to minus 4 or plus 12. That means plus 8. So that 80 equal to, your first term is 8, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on. So your first term is A, 8, A plus D, that means 8 plus minus 2. Your third term, 8 plus 2 into minus 2. Your fourth term, 8 plus 3 into minus 2. And so on. So your result is 8. When we subtract 2 from 8, we got 6. And 2 2s are 4. 8 minus 4. That means 8 minus 6. And so on. Your result is 8, 6, 4, 2 and so on. This is your AP. So, we solve the third questions. Now, in the fourth question, solution of your fourth question, here, middle term of AP 213, AP equal to given 213, your next term 205 and your next term 197, so on. Your last term is 37. That means A equal to 213, D equal to T2 minus T1, that means 205 minus 213, 8 5 13 minus 8. And last term, that means Tn, value of Tn equal to 37. So, what is the value of n? That means, चूंकि Tn बराबर 37, show that A plus n minus 1 into D equal to 37. So, your first term is 213 plus n minus 1 into value of D equal to minus 8, 37. So that 213, when we multiply minus 8 with n, we got minus 8n. And with minus 1, minus 8, minus plus, we got plus 8 equal to 37. So that 213 plus 8 minus 37 equal to 8n. 8n, change their side. From the left side, it should be put in the right side. So their sign will be changed. Minus becomes plus. And 37 also change their sides. So it becomes minus 37. It is 221 minus 37 equal to 18. So that your result is 4, 11, 8 and 184. So n equal to 184. Sorry, 11. 1, 11, 1. Okay, right. So 8 2s are 16 and 8 3s are 24. But up to the 37, it is the 23rd term. So in the middle term, so that middle term equal to, if number of terms is odd number, then we got the middle term by the formula odd number plus 1 by 2. Odd number plus 1 by 2. So 23 plus 1 by 2 equal to 24 by 2. That means ki 12th term. Its a middle term is 12th term. So value of middle term, value of middle term equal to T12 that means कि T12 that means कि A plus 11D and your first term is 213 plus 11 into your D is minus 8. So 213 minus 88 and your result is 13 5 0 10 2 1. So that your result is 125. That's your answer. In the fifth question, solution of fifth question. But before the solution of this question, you must be remember formula and term from the end. एंड से nth टर्म का वैल्यू निकालने के लिए आपको हमने फार्मूला बताया था L minus n minus 1 into D. So here the AP is 10, 7, 4 and so on minus 62 your result. At first A equal to 10 and D equal to P2 minus T1 that means 7 minus 10 that means minus 3 and L your last term equal to minus 62 and N number of term equal to 11. Show that 11th term from the end equal to L minus n minus 1 into D. We have already proved this formula. So you remember that when any questions ask you nth term from the end, you must be use this formula L minus n minus 1 into D. Your L is minus 62 minus your n is that means 11 minus 1 and your D is minus 3. So minus 62 minus 10 into minus 3 that means minus 62 plus 30 equal to minus 32 and that is your answer. From the end when we find the 11th term you got minus 32. Now solution of your last question. Here you read the question, how many 3 digits are divisible by 11? 3 digits के नंबर जो होंगे वो कितने होंगे जो 11 से डिवाइड हो सकते हैं? तो you just remember the table of 11. 11 9 ja 99. That means 99 is 2 digits number. And 11 10s are 110. So the 3 digits number, first 3 digits number is first 3 digits. So when we read the table of 11, we got 99, the 2 digits number. But when we read 11 10 times, that means 110. The first 3 digit number which should be divided by 11. So your first term is 110. Your first term is 110 and your D is A equal to 110 A plus D. That means once again, your term 1 is 110, but term 2, 11 table read 11 times because the next term should be divided by 11 is 121. So it's your second number, यानी कि T2. That means your T3 equal to read the table of 11 in 13 times. That means what? 132. the next term, that means D is 11. So AB equal to 110, 121, 132 and 143 and so on. We got it. A equal to 110, your D equal to T2 minus T1, that means 121 minus 110, that means 11. So how many digits? That means your last term. What is the last term? In divided by 11, your last 3-digit number is 999. So we first divide by 11. 11 9 ja 99. Cancel 9. It should be written as 0. That means 9. Your remainder is 9. So when we subtract the remainder, we got the last digit, last number, 3 digits number, which should be divided by 11. After that, when we add 11 in 999, we got 1001. That is your 4-digit number. Here, question asks me the 3 digits number only. So that your last digit is 990. That means Tn equal to 990. So that A plus n minus 1 into D equal to 990. Your first term is 110 plus 11 minus n minus 1 into 11 equal to 990. 110 plus 11 n minus 11 equal to 990. Here 11n. When we subtract from this, we got plus 99 equal to 990. So that n equal to 990 minus 99 by 11. Here 90 subtract, we got 900 and 900 minus 9, that means 891 by 11. 11 8 ja 88 and 11 1 ja 11, that means 81. So number of how many 3 digits number? So 81